Let's go.
Black on, because if you love English content and you are really beginner and you wanted to learn your English spoken, so make sure subscribe and press the bell icon. Yes, and you can leave your comment in the comment box. So let's start the video further. In this video I'm talking about the guys, what is the rule of the confidence in language learning? You are thinking, yes, you heard it right. What is the rule of confidence in language learning? Have you ever tried to understand, and have you ever thoughts on this topic? English learning, not only English, even in any language if you are learning. Okay, yes, when initially I have starting English speaking journey, that times really I feel very boring. There was no any friends with whom I can practice, but I need to practice more. I start to consume more content English from YouTube or any platforms. Even you can read your English book, textbook, or you can communicate with your people, your friends and community. Also you can speak very well English. I hope you can speak. Okay, let's the confidence. You can boost your confidence. How you can boost your confidence? Look friends, really confidence make you speak more, make you fluent. That's how you can boost your confidence. Absolutely. So I would recommend you try to speak more, but don't judge why the people judge me. Try to speak more in language and speak, because just it is a language. Look guys, speaking and communication is very different. More confidence if you think, yes, I can speak very well, I have doubts, hesitation. So make sure you have to do the things, because practice, as you know, practice makes man more perfect. So that's how, this is the only one option you can choose, and that is practice more and speak more. That's how you can boost your confidence, right guy? So this is the way actually I do the things, same things, right? That's how, if you want to boost, and if you are really, if you want, you can connect me. Thank you, all the best. Make sure I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, all the best. Thank you, all the best.